Are you frustrated with your yard being littered by downspouts that don't stay on? Are you annoyed that every time you mow your lawn you have to stop, get out your toolkit, and remove those pesky screws?
Well, now there's a better way. The new LRX quick release connectors. They're a snap. This patented product is made in the USA and it's easy to install. Just mark, drill, and assemble. It's that easy. With thousands of homes across the country with the same problem, there's the old way, and now there's the LRX way. Tested in winds up to 200 miles per hour. They come with a lifetime guarantee, and don't forget, they're made in the USA. Once installed, you'll never have to use a tool again. The new LRX quick release connectors are coming soon to a retailer near you. For more information, go to www.downspoutconnectors.com.